This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. This gorgeous home located in the heart of Norfolk is a must-see. With high ceilings and an open floor plan, this is a dream house for anyone. The kitchen and bathrooms are beautifully designed with updated flooring and cabinetry. Enjoy a nice summer evening breeze on the covered front porch or the large deck surrounded by a privacy fence. You'll be conveniently located near shopping, beaches, and military bases, so you won't miss a beat. For more information, review the details below.